Hi YouTube! I have already made a video about how to build and install the Open62541 OPC UA library from source. In today's video I want to show you how to install the Open62541 library by using a pre-built version. Using a pre-built version has the advantage you don't have to build the library by yourself, and if you're running a weaker hardware like a Raspberry Pi and you want to use the library, it's much more quicker to use a pre-built version than to build the whole thing on the Pi. So for this purpose I've created a new virtual machine running a live Ubuntu image, and the goal for today is to install the library and to compile a minimal server. So the first thing we need to do is go to the Open62541 projects webpage, and here we have a download section, and as I'm running a 64-bit Linux system I will click on this file and download it. Okay, this will take a little time to download. By the way, if you're running Ubuntu, you could just add this repository and install the library from this repository, but I want to show you a way which will work on nearly every Linux distribution, and so I won't use this repository today. Okay, so now we have downloaded this archive file here. Let's extract it into our downloads folder. Now we have here some multiple files. The important folder is this one. I will cd into it because here we have all the necessary files we need for the library. For example, here in the lib folder we have all the library files. So all we have to do now is to copy everything from this folder into a place where the compiler can find the library. So I will copy everything from the lib folder to user local lib, everything from the include folder to user local include, and everything from the share folder to user local share. Okay, now we are almost done. The last step is to configure the linker for our new library, to update the library database, and to do so we just run the command sudo ldconfig -v. So I will execute this. Okay, and now we should have installed the library. Okay, for testing purpose I will create a source file for a minimal OPC UA server, and then we are going to compile it. So here, and here in the documentation we have a tutorial section, and here we can find the minimal code for an OPC UA server. Okay, so let's take it and copy and paste it in here. And now let's try to compile the source code. I will use the compiler of the GNU compiler collection. Our input file is myserver.c. Our output file should be named myserver. And now we will tell the compiler to use the Open62541 library. So we have to type -l Open62541, and now we should be able to build the file. Okay, and now let's try to run the server. Yeah, and now our server is running. The OPC UA server is running on my virtual machine. So that's how to install the Open62541 library by using a pre-built version. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.